Let's do another Amazon unboxing. I love to do my nails at home. I have been in need of a new UV light, and it was time to invest in something a little bit more sturdy. It's just a little guy. Look how gorgeous these pastel colors are, and they were on major sale as well. This guy is a look for less, definitely a higher end. I'm a fan. It's Pride Month. I support, I love, I welcome. I got this cute tank. I'm gonna put together a whole post. My husband and I are going to Red Hot Chili Peppers. I needed a clear bag. I'm gonna need your help picking an outfit, but look how cute. I was on nail TikTok. I grabbed these. They're like the dental paper things that they clip onto, and then disposable. They're like cotton rounds, but not cotton, and so they don't shed. Comes in a pack of 2 for under $5. I got new drill bits. The builder gel because I'm trying Gel X nails at home. Blah. I needed a new tool. Premier Protein, the peanut butter one is, she's adorable. And it is movie theater candy. Lumify, always and forever. Okay, this is cute. I definitely need to size up.